Okay, welcome back, cabin people. So I'm dropping my first video here that I got edited up. Me and Josh went up to the cabin for our first trip. It was amazing. So I'm just out here checking game cams at my place, but just thought I'd fill you in on a little info. So I'm going to be dropping our first video tonight. And it's not long. It's the review of how the cabin held up over the winter. So Josh does a walk around of the foundation. We're going to be answering questions that we had in the comments on the foundation and the beams and how they kind of all settled, because we did use some store-bought stuff for the flooring. We used some semi-dry stuff and some soaking wet 2-hour-old timbers right off the mill. So I'm gonna be dropping that video. If you're interested, have a look. It's pretty informative. I'm not going to tell you what the outcome was, but all you have to know is lessons are learned and some aren't. I'm not going to ruin it for you, but what else? We have 3 videos that are going to be dropped from that one trip. It was me and Josh up there. We got a lot done, and we're doing a different kind of series. It's just gonna be porch talks. So it's gonna be us talking on the porch. Go figure. About all sorts of stuff. Some of it's comical. So we're doing that. So that's gonna be one video. The foundation video is gonna drop, and I still have to put a ton of footage together. I'm just sorting through it for episode 10. So it's gonna be good. Hope you guys like that. Let me know what you guys think of the videos, and if you like the porch talk, there'll be more to come. Take care. Haha, just kidding. I actually forgot something. For the people that have subscribed, we have something very interesting. If you guys are interested, obviously, it involves you. We want you. So if you're subscribed, we have an interesting thing that, how do I not ruin the surprise? You'll like it. Might be life-changing. Might not be. You guys stay tuned for the porch talk. We're hammering out details on this thing. It is not set in stone, but it's gonna happen. It's gonna be amazing. And I know that is the biggest tease of all times, and you're probably like, yeah, whatever, you're gonna give me a t-shirt or some garbage like that. No. Way better. Way better. So you can subscribe and get a chance, but you don't have to either. Don't care. Have a good night.